for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a Bento mom. I make fun and creative lunch boxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So it's the weekend, guys, but today I decided to do bento making. So we're doing a bento creation for Zion today for her lunch. So let's check and see what the ingredients are and kung anong gagawin natin today. For today's bento creation, we're gonna do a cow bento. The reason why I thought of this one is because our ulam for today is this Angus beef tapa from Carniceria, which is really our favorite. And I thought of creating a bento that's related to beef. So I'm doing a cow bento. So for the cow character, we just need white rice. So just a plain rice. Okay. So this is around 2 cups of rice. And then for the details of the cow, I just used this nori sheets, the Bibigo brand. And you just need to cut 2 small circles for the nose, 2 curved lines like this, like these 2 for the eyes, and then any random na shape for the cow's patch here. So we'll just put this one just right on top of the head near the ear of the cow later. Okay, so for the nori, again, 2 small circles, 2 curved lines, and 1 random shape for the patch. And then for Zion's sides, again, I have here our ulam, which is the Angus beef tapa. So this is again our favorite. So ito yung wrapper niya. So this is the new variant, the sweet na Angus beef tapa, which is really perfect for your kids. So I'll put the link in the description box of where you can buy this, okay? And then for her vegetables, I have here buttered broccoli. And then for her fruit, I have banana. And then for the dessert, I have gummy bears. For our base, I'm using lettuce. And then I also have here 1 spaghetti noodle, just for us later to stick yung ears of the cow. And then for our tools, of course, I have our yum box here, which is our most trusted bento box. And of course, I have my silicone cups here. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to mold the rice. Again, we also have here our ever-trusted na cling wrap. So we'll start by molding the rice. Okay, so for our rice, we need to mold 2 oblong shapes. So we've wrapped this one inside the cling wrap, and then we're just gonna mold it into an oblong shape. So again, when you're doing your kids' baons or kids' food preparation, please make sure to always wash your hands. Okay? So, ganyan siya. 2 oval shapes. So, 1 should be smaller than the other. Okay? So, this is gonna be for the head of the cow later. Okay? And then, we're gonna mold the ears. Right? So, we're just gonna cut a little bit or a portion of the cling wrap, and then just cut it in half because we just need 2 small ears for the cow. So this is just around half a tablespoon. So, basta shape nyo lang siya na like this, like an shape ng eyes. So we're gonna use this one for the ears of the cow. All right, so we have molded our rice. So again, we need two oval shapes or oblong shapes. So one bigger than the other one. So we'll use it for the head of the cow because we'll put the bigger one on top of the smaller one. And then we also molded like an eye shape, if you can see it here. So this is just for the ears. You can also do triangle shape, whichever you prefer. So this is for the cow's ears. So these are the only things that we need to mold. So we'll now put together our bento. So we'll put our base here. So we'll use the lettuce for the base. There. Okay. And then I'm just gonna be putting the sides first so that later on we're gonna be setting up yung ating cow character. So I put the star-shaped silicone cup here, and then I'll just get the spoon for our Angus beef tapa. Smells so good. You know, the good thing about this one as well, guys, is you don't need to use oil when you cook it. So just make sure that it's thawed. So ganito yung itsura niya when you buy it. So this one naman is the classic flavor. There. So completely thaw it. And then when it's ready na, then you will cook it without oil. Right? So I'm just filling up the silicone cup. So this again is perfect for your kids because this is the sweet flavor, which is the new flavor of their Angus beef tapa. Okay. And then for here naman, we'll put the veggies. Okay, so I'll just use my hands here. So this is buttered na broccoli. Okay, so again, when you're doing your kids' baons, please make sure to wash your hands. Not only the baon, but any food that you're preparing at home for your family, you need to wash your hands. So I have here the gummy bears for the dessert, for the sweet treat. There. And then we'll start putting together the cow character. So I'll just put it here sa aking side. So just fixing the base. And then here as well, because I want the curly part of the lettuce to be the design of our bento as well. So we'll put the smaller oval shape first. But before we do that, we need to insert the ears of the cow. So this is where we're gonna be using our spaghetti noodle. So this is uncooked, okay? And then just need to get the ear and then get your spaghetti noodle, the uncooked spaghetti noodle, and then insert it like that. And then put it here for the ears of the cow. Okay? And then you do the same on the other side. Okay. So we'll get a portion again of the spaghetti noodle and insert it sa inyong rice. And just there. So we'll put this here. Then just right below it, unwrap the bigger oval shape, and then you just put it here on top of the smaller oval shape. So then it will look like this. See? And then we'll now put the details. So we will be putting our nori, the one that we cut, so the curved line and the circle shape. So we'll put the nose first. Okay. So 2 small circles for the nose. Okay. And then for the eyes, I just have 2 curved lines so that it will look as if the eyes are smiling. There you go. And then we'll just add the patch here to my ear part. Okay. So I just needed to remove the ear quickly so I can put the nori. Then we'll put it back. So there you go. Alright, so I'll just put the banana here. So this is our finished product. That's it for today's bento creation. I hope you enjoyed what we did today. If you did enjoy, please like and share this video para mas marami pang mag-try mag-bentoing. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye!